Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more cricket updates.
Hello everyone, I'm Vanita Veer and I hope everyone is doing well during these testing times. Although we do have restrictions on what we can do, we do have the responsibility of taking care of ourselves and our loved ones. Let me give you an insight into my training in preparation of better times. So the first and foremost, what I like to emphasize is on barefoot. It helps me in terms of better stability and my foot mechanics. It also helps me massively in terms of my knee, hips and core. So these are my constant warm-up which I do. First, I like to focus on stability before I start any work. So this is my first warm-up. So it's a psoas full. So 30 seconds each leg. So focus on stability. Fix a point before you take this position so that you get a better control. Next is this movement. So try and focus again. So make sure your body is not tilted and stand in straight position. So fix a point again so that you get a better control over yourself. 30 seconds each leg. It involves a lot of the muscles, not just one muscle. So I use this for my T-spine, my shoulders. So here we go. Bend down and then you come straight back. Slowly rotate and then we'll come. Hold this movement for 45 seconds to 1 minute. For your comfort, make sure you maintain a good posture throughout the movement. So this is the first workout of my activation. So press your heel down and this leg up. As you press this and up, you can see the glutes being activated, and make sure this back is straight and not arched or erected too much, and then go down slowly with a better control by keeping the pelvic straight and nice. As you see, as you keep going, you can see the glutes being activated. This is called reverse Nordics. This is one of my favorite exercises because it challenges a lot on your quadriceps muscle and your core and your glutes as well as your back. So it's very important that you control through these movements, through these muscles, so that you're able to hold the movement for longer time. And come up with a better control. Go down slowly, control, not arching your back. And come up. And come up. Slow, nice and controlled. Thank you for joining me in this socially distant workout. Also want to thank Circle of Cricket for this amazing initiative, and also want to thank Invictus Performance Lab for supporting me these times to be able to get better with creative ideas to keep pushing the boundaries with limited resources. Lastly, I would request you to support a cause, any cause that is close to your heart. The millions of people there that are less lucky than you and I, they need our support. I support Atria Foundation, who have provided 42 lakh meals to the underprivileged. Check them out at atriafoundation.org. Thank you.